So one of my smart home projects is to replace all the lights in my jacuzzi bathtub room. And I took an old AC power switch and hooked it up to this nodeMCU ESP8266, and then to the lights that has LED lights for 12 volts instead of the 22 AC volts. Sorry, 220 AC volts that has that the bathroom has. Now I can take the switch and I can turn it on and off. And I can also tell Alexa to do that as well. I can also turn it on and off from my PC here. Let's see if I can take the shot of both of them. See? On, off. And I can also make the light dimmer or brighter. So now it's bright, and now I can dim it. And then I can tell Alexa or Google Home, hey, dim my lights while I'm in the bathtub. And it's gonna be awesome.